You're telling me what, sir?
You won't take my phone.
If I feel there's evidence.
Oh, what evidence?
On your phone.
As what evidence to do what?
I will take
of what
it
crime?
Under the Police
of
and
what
Criminal
crime?
Evidence Act,
What
sir.
crime?
It's as simple
It's
as
not.
Welcome to Raw Audit Reviews, where we shine a light on police misconduct and demand accountability from public officials. Today's footage comes from Yardley Ski Auditing. Their link is in the description below, so make sure to check out the full video and show them your support. This audit takes place outside Havering Patrol Base in Romford, a place where police assert authority daily. Yardley is simply standing on a public pavement, exercising his lawful right to film, nothing more. But the moment the camera starts rolling, that calm scene quickly unravels. Ego, pride, and a thirst for control take over. Phones are threatened, badges become points of argument, and suddenly, terrorism laws are thrown into the mix. What follows raises an important question. When officers feel their authority challenged, do they act by the law?
I'm a police officer. My name's Sergeant Terry Burns. It's my badge. It's concerning me that you're filming me, sir. Can you answer any questions for me? Can you speak to me at all?
Hello sir, you're right, my name's PC Palmer. You okay? That's what you're doing today?
So, is everything all right? I'm quite concerned, sir. This is a secure building and you're filming it and you're filming the personnel coming to...
The officer throws out the classic one-word pressure tactic. Secure building. But here's the truth. Saying a site is secure isn't a lawful command. Filming from a public pavement is completely legal. If the location were genuinely protected under a specific security law or restriction, the officer would be required to state which law applies or point to official signage. Instead, they rely on vague language designed to intimidate and make the auditor doubt their rights. It's not about security. It's about control.
Please, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much. Would you mind, sir? Would you mind stepping back? Stepping back, please, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much. Please allow my colleague to do her job. Please allow my colleague to do her job, sir. No.
The auditor is then warned that interfering with an officer is an offense, a line we've heard countless times before. But once again, it's an empty threat built on vague claims of obstruction without any supporting evidence. Simply standing on a public pavement and filming doesn't come close to meeting the legal threshold for obstruction. For that offense to apply, there must be clear, deliberate interference with an officer performing a specific lawful duty. And that's simply not happening here. It's another example of using authority as intimidation, not enforcement.
Do not touch me and do
you are
not
attempting to
block
interfere
me,
with a
okay?
police officer.
I'm looking at her thin blue line badge. I'm looking at her thin
execution.
blue line badge. She shouldn't be wearing it.
I'm not
Tell her
instructing
to
the
take it
officer
off.
to do that,
Well,
sir.
I will. Take off your badge.
The officer...
Take off your thin blue line badge. It's banned.
Is in lawful execution of her
Don't talk
duty.
to me. Don't talk to me. I don't want to talk to you.
That is fine.
Okay,
That's
so go
fine,
away
sir.
now.
I'm
Go away
instructing
now.
you.
No, you're not instructing me
I'm
anything.
instructing you
Don't instruct
that
me
if
nothing.
you interfere
I'm not talking
with
to
my
her.
colleague
I'm not
in the
talking
lawful
to her.
execution of her
Have you heard
duties,
me talk to her?
You
Have you heard me talk
have-
to her?
you have-
Have you heard me talk
you
to her?
have called
Have
to
you
her
heard me
to do
talk
so.
to her?
Yes, I have, sir.
When? When have I... Don't lie, you're on
It's on-
camera.
it's on your
you're,
phone,
You're
sir.
right.
You've
and
been talking to my colleague,
No,
sir.
I've been talking.
Yes,
I said,
you have,
you
sir.
tell
You've
her to
asked
take
me.
off the badge.
You've asked
I
me
asked
when.
you. Yes? For you
So
to
you
tell
did
her.
tell
No, for
her.
you to tell her. For you to tell her to take it off.
That's fine. Listen,
You should
I've
tell her
asked
to
you
take that
politely.
badge off.
I've asked you
I don't care if
politely,
you've asked
sir.
me politely.
I've
I don't
asked you
care about
politely.
politeness. Tell her to take that badge off. It's against the Met uniform. You shouldn't be...
The focus then shifts to the officer's uniform, where Yardley Ski notices a thin blue line badge, a stylized Union flag marked by a blue stripe. At first glance, it may seem harmless, even like a simple show of support. But beneath the surface lies clear controversy. The Metropolitan Police's own dress and appearance policy explicitly forbids unauthorized emblems, badges, or altered symbols, and that includes the defaced Union flag. The rule isn't a suggestion. It's a standard meant to preserve neutrality and professionalism. By wearing that badge, the officer isn't showing
You
pride.
and tell you to take that
breaking
badge
policy
off.
on camera.
Because you are wearing that badge. And I want you to take it off. It's a disgrace.
Well, no, I'm trying
It's
to
a
do my
defaced
job,
Union
and I've got
flag.
people
Well,
that
get
are
in the
waiting
van
for
and
me.
do your
I
job
can't, while
then.
you're filming people
I
coming
can
down
do
the
what I
secure
want.
police building.
I can do what I
That's a
want.
bit
I
of
can film the building.
It's a bit of concern for us, though, isn't it?
Why?
It's a secure police building
Why?
and you're
Tell me
filming
why.
it.
Tell me why.
It's a security risk.
Why?
Isn't it?
Why?
Police building with people going in
Until
and out.
we
And
know-
am I on a public pavement?
Pardon?
Am I on a public pavement?
private building.
Am I in a public pavement? Yes, you said, yeah?
are.
I'm in a
No,
public
but let me
space.
remind
So therefore,
you-
don't come
let
up
me
to me.
remind
Don't
you.
walk to me.
Listen,
Do
let me
not.
remind you
And I'm not
something.
listening to you. Do not
You're
walk
on the
to
public
me.
pavement
I'm on the
and
public
you're
pavement,
also
filming a building.
obstructing the
No, I'm not.
public
You're
pavement.
obstructing it. Get your car out the way. Get your car
You're
out the way.
obstructing
You
the
keep on
public
coming so
pavement.
close, don't
I
you?
will come
You're
close to you.
intimidating me.
I'm not
You
intimidating
are.
you, sir.
Section 5.
Oh,
yeah,
Section
you're causing
5
me
of what, sir?
alarm, harassment, and distress. Okay, away.
Right, sir, listen.
No, I'm not
I've
listening
asked you
to you.
nicely.
I don't care if
I've
you've
asked
asked
you
me
nicely.
nicely. I don't care.
You are
I don't
worrying me.
care.
You're
I don't
worrying me
care.
and you pose
I
a
do not care.
security
I'm
risk,
telling you what I'm
okay?
doing. Tell her to take that badge off.
Like this.
Go on,
Yeah,
tell her to take the badge off. The badge is defaced Union flag. It shouldn't be on your uniform. Yeah, do you want proof? Let me show you proof. Okay? Let me show you proof. Look, here's your uniform. Here's what it says. Want to read it? Please don't wear badges advertising causes, beliefs or charities. They distract from your corporate identity and compromise the impartiality of the Met. That's what you're doing, and that's a charity badge, yeah? All right, now I'm asking you directly, is that a charity badge?
Not a trade badge, no.
What is it then? What is it then? What is
We're
it?
not going back because I'm not having this.
Okay, let me just tell you this, yeah?
with you.
We also take part in the following things: Memorial Day, Poppy Day, and Remembrance Sunday, or Remembrance Day. They're the only badges that you should be wearing on your uniform. Okay?
This gentleman has
Legitimate reasons to be out here filming because it's in the public.
which constitutes evidence. We may seize that phone.
Oh,
under
you
the
won't.
Police and Criminal Evidence
No, you
Act.
won't. No, you won't.
If I think
You won't touch
that
my
there's
phone.
evidence on your phone,
There's
sir,
no evidence on my
I'm gonna
phone for
take
you.
your phone.
No, you won't. You won't.
I will
If you
take
touch
it,
me or my
okay?
phone,
Listen to
no,
me.
I'm not listening
I
to
need
you.
to
I
get
keep on
close
telling
to you,
you.
sir, so you
No, you don't
understand
need
me,
to get
sir.
close to me.
If there's
Step
evidence on your
away
phone,
and
I'm
stop
gonna
pointing
take
your
your
finger.
phone,
No, you
okay?
won't.
The officer's tone turns sharp, finger pointing, body leaning forward, voice full of authority. He insists he has the power to seize the auditor's phone under Section 19 of PACE. But let's pause for a moment. That section only allows seizure if an officer reasonably believes the item holds evidence of a criminal offense. And here's the problem. What crime has been committed? Filming a police station? Not a crime. Questioning a badge? Not a crime. Standing on a public pavement with a camera? Still not a crime. So why the threat? Why the rush to escalate? Because this isn't about enforcing the law. It's about enforcing dominance. It's a show of control. A power move meant to intimidate. That's not policing. That's ego in uniform.
This is not difficult,
No, you won't.
sir.
All
It's
right,
not
all right then.
difficult.
Well, I'll tell you won't take my phone.
You're telling me what, sir?
You won't take my phone.
If I feel there's evidence.
Oh, what evidence?
On your phone,
As what
sir,
evidence to do
I
what?
will take
Of what
it
crime?
Under the Police
of
and
what
Criminal
crime?
Evidence Act,
What
sir.
crime?
It's as simple
It's
as
not.
that.
Police and Criminal Act does not allow you to take my phone. You need to articulate a
It does,
crime.
sir. It does, sir.
What's the crime?
If I believe,
What's the crime?
Well, you have indicated.
Yeah, go on.
You're alleging that an officer is wearing something they shouldn't, sir.
She is.
Oh, evidence then, sir.
Evidence from me.
Yes.
Yes,
and I will
me.
take the evidence
no,
from
won't.
you.
Why? Why? Why?
the
What
Police
crime
and
is it?
Criminal Evidence
What
Act.
crime am I doing? Is it a crime to identify a defaced Union flag for police?
If you're
What
saying
do you
there is
want?
evidence of
What
that
do you
on
want?
your phone,
What?
then we can seize that, can't we, as evidence?
Film yourself.
Pardon?
Film yourself.
I don't need to film myself.
Oh, are you filming me?
Pardon?
Are you filming me?
Yeah.
Have you told me?
You haven't told me you're filming me.
Are you?
either.
Have you told me?
No.
It's within your policy to state at the first
Policy's
practical,
not law that I
at the
tell you
first practical opportunity to let me know that you are filming me. Okay? And you haven't even done that, have you? You haven't even gone by your policies. That means you're a tyrant.
It's policy that it's not.
You're a
it's not allowed to
tyrant.
do.
The auditor rightly calls out the officer for failing to inform him that she was recording on her body-worn camera, something she should have disclosed. Instead of acknowledging it, she fires back, "You didn't tell me you were recording," completely missing the point. The auditor was filming openly, in plain sight, on a public pavement. No deception, no requirement to announce it under UK law. Her follow-up, "It's policy, not the law," only makes things worse, effectively admitting she's not bound to tell him while hiding behind internal procedure. It's not just dismissive, it's condescending. She's using policy as a shield for ego, placing authority above legality. And that's exactly what audits aim to expose, those moments where power overrides professionalism, and the law takes a backseat.
Yeah,
Sorry,
I think
what's it
so.
called, sir?
Don't worry about what it's called. Tell me what PACE is. Tell me what crime I'm committing. Huh?
Sir, please stop filming me,
Muppet.
sir. Please stop filming.
I will keep on filming you. I'm allowed to film.
He's filming the building. He's filming.
My body one's cameras on. All right?
Officers,
Thank you for telling me your body worn cams. Thank you for upholding your policy.
Yeah.
Hold on a second.
You're right. Sorry.
I don't know what's actually happening.
So he's filming. Can we talk to my colleague?
You can talk as much as you like. It's a public place. Make privacy if you want to. Go on then.
He's filming personal cars coming out.
No, I wasn't. No, I wasn't. Stop lying. Stop lying. Stop lying. I wasn't doing that.
My colleague's coming in and out in their personal
No,
cars.
he's not coming in and out in his personal car. He was going in and I was filming. I didn't go to him and I didn't film his car. So stop lying. Off you go. Dismissed. Walk of shame. Off you go. I'm not being rude. I'm telling him. No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
Why? When you're telling
No, I'm
someone
not.
off you go.
Off you go. Dismissed.
excuse me, officer.
Rude is not a crime.
Just to say, if this gentleman has any footage on his phone of my car's registration number, okay, I fear under the Terrorism Act, unless we prove it, and I want this gentleman to understand that if I feel I'm in danger, he's refused to provide any details of what he's doing here, okay? If I feel that you're trying to identify me personally, sir.
Did you drive up? Did you drive up? Did I come to you? Did I ask you
have
anything?
immediately started
Did I
filming
ask you anything? You stopped your car and you said to me, what am I doing? Who am I? So get in your car and go away.
The auditor rightly calls out the officer for failing to inform him that she was recording on her body-worn camera, something she should have disclosed. Instead of acknowledging it, she fires back, "You didn't tell me you were recording," completely missing the point. The auditor was filming openly, in plain sight, on a public pavement. No deception. No requirement to announce it under UK law. Her follow-up, "It's policy, not the law," only makes things worse, effectively admitting she's not bound to tell him while hiding behind internal procedure. It's not just dismissive.
Stop trying to incriminate people and abuse their rules and laws.
What's the purpose of your visit today here, sir?
She's wearing a defaced union flag and she should take it off. That's what she should be doing. You should be telling her to take off, or he, she, them, however she wants to be represented,
What's the purpose of
that
your visit
she
today?
shouldn't be wearing a defaced union flag on her uniform. That muppet, whoever he is, no, I can call him a muppet.
Why?
Because I can.
No one's calling you.
It's not a swear word, is it? Is muppet a swear word? Is muppet a swear word? Is muppet a swear word? I'm asking you.
What's the
No.
purpose of your
So I can
visit?
call him a muppet, can't I?
What's the purpose of
Yeah?
your visit
Can I call
today?
him a muppet? Can I call him a muppet? Is it a swear word? Don't be civil, I'm not your mate. Okay? If you want to be civil, go inside, leave me alone, because I'm doing nothing wrong. Okay?
What is
Off
the-
your pop.
What is the purpose of your visit? Just gonna wait.
What's your shoulder number? You didn't tell me your shoulder number.
I don't need to give you my
Oh, I don't need to do that now, don't I? So you're a police officer in the law, not identifying yourself. So you want to go? You don't need to search me. You need to tell me what your shoulder number is.
The auditor rightly calls out the officer
stop
for failing to inform
lying.
him that she was recording on her body-worn camera, something she should have disclosed. Instead of acknowledging it, she fires back,
Off you go.
"You didn't tell me you were recording,"
Dismissed.
completely missing the point. The
Walk
auditor
of
was filming
shame.
openly, in plain sight, on a
Off
public
you
pavement.
go. I'm
No
not being
deception.
rude. I'm
No
telling
requirement to
him.
announce it under UK
No,
law.
I'm not.
Her follow-up,
No, I'm
"It's
not.
policy, not the law," only
No, I'm
makes
not.
things worse,
Off you go.
effectively
Off you
admitting
go.
she's not bound to tell him
Dismissed.
while hiding behind internal procedure. It's not
Rude
just
is
dismissive,
not a crime.
it's condescending.
Say,
She's using policy as a shield for ego,
has
placing
any
authority
footage
above
on his
legality.
phone
And that's
of
exactly
my
what audits
car's
aim to expose. Those
registration number.
moments where power overrides professionalism, and the law
I
takes a
fear
backseat to pride.
under-
The auditor
under
rightly
the
calls out
Terrorism
the
Act,
officer for failing to inform
unless
him
we
that she
prove
was recording on her
And I
body-worn camera,
want this
something
gentleman
she should
to
have disclosed.
understand
Instead of acknowledging it, she fires back,
that if I
didn't tell me you
feel
were
I'm in
recording,"
danger,
completely
he's
missing the point.
refused
The auditor was
to
filming
provide
openly,
any
in plain sight, on a
details
public
of
pavement.
what he's doing
No deception.
here.
No requirement to
Okay.
announce it under UK
If
law.
I
Her
feel
follow-up,
that
"It's
you're
policy, not the
trying
law,"
to
only makes things
identify
worse,
me
effectively admitting she's not
personally,
bound to
sir.
tell
Did you
him while
drive
hiding
up?
behind internal procedure.
Did you
It's
drive
not
up?
just
Did I
dismissive,
come to
it's
you?
condescending.
Did I ask
She's
you
using policy
anything?
as a shield for ego,
Did I
placing
ask
authority
you
above
anything?
legality.
You
And that's
stopped
exactly
your
what
car
audits aim to
and you
expose.
said to
Those
me, what
moments
am
where
I
power
doing? Who
overrides
am I?
professionalism, and the
So
law takes a
get in your
backseat to
car
pride.
and go
The auditor
away.
rightly calls out the officer for failing to inform him that she was recording on her
Off you
body-worn
go.
camera, something she should
Dismissed.
have disclosed. Instead of acknowledging it,
Walk
she
of
fires back,
shame.
You didn't tell me you were
Off
recording.
you go. I'm
Completely
not
missing
being
the point.
rude. I'm
The auditor
telling
was
him.
filming openly, in
No,
plain
I'm
sight,
not.
on a public
No,
pavement.
I'm not.
No deception.
No, I'm
No
not.
requirement to announce it under UK
Off
law.
you go.
Her follow-up,
Dismissed.
it's policy, not the law, only makes things worse.
Rude is
Effectively
not a
admitting
crime.
she's not bound to tell him while hiding behind internal procedure.
Has
It's
any
not just
footage on his
dismissive, it's
phone
condescending.
of my
She's using
car's
policy as a shield for ego,
registration number?
placing authority above legality.
Okay.
And that's exactly what
I
audits aim to
fear
expose.
under-
Those moments
under
where
the
power overrides
Terrorism Act,
professionalism.
unless
The law
we
takes a
prove
back
up-
seat to pride. The auditor
And
rightly
I
calls
want this
out the officer
gentleman
for
to
failing to inform him that
understand
she was recording on her
that
body-worn
if
camera.
I feel I'm
Something
in
she should have
danger,
disclosed.
he's
Instead of acknowledging it,
refused
she fires
to
back.
provide any
You didn't tell me you were
details
recording.
of what he's
Completely
doing
missing the
here.
point. The auditor was filming
Okay.
openly, in
If
plain
I
sight, on
feel
a public pavement.
that you're
No
trying
deception.
to
No
identify
requirement to
me
announce it under UK law.
personally,
Her follow-up,
sir.
Did you
it's policy,
drive
not
up?
the law, only makes
Did
things
you
worse.
drive up? Did I
Effectively
come
admitting
to
she's
you?
not
Did
bound
I
to
ask
tell
you
him while hiding
anything?
behind internal
Did
procedure.
Did I
It's not
ask
just
you
dismissive,
anything?
it's
You
condescending.
stopped your
She's
car
using policy as
and
a
you
shield
said
for
to
ego,
me, what
placing
am I
authority above
doing?
legality.
Who am I?
And that's exactly what
So
audits
get
aim
in
to
your
expose.
car and go
Those moments
away.
where power
The
overrides
officer
professionalism, and
invokes
the law
the
takes a back seat to
terrorism
pride.
Telling him.
threat.
So,
No,
what did
I'm
this
not.
audit really uncover?
No, I'm not.
On the surface, it
No,
looked
I'm
like
not.
a dispute over a badge,
Off
a
you
camera,
go.
and the right to film from a
Dismissed.
public pavement. But underneath, it revealed
Rude
something
is
far
not a
deeper.
crime.
How ego can overpower the law. Pace was stretched beyond its
Has
meaning.
any footage on
Terrorism
his
powers were
phone
invoked without
of
justification,
my car's
and internal policies were
registration
ignored whenever
number?
convenient. Each action wasn't
Okay.
driven by legislation,
I
but by
fear
pride and a refusal
under-
to be challenged.
under the
Through it all,
Terrorism
Yardley
Act,
Ski remained calm,
unless we
relying
prove
not
up-
on force, but on
And
facts
I
and
want
knowledge,
this
the
gentleman
most
to
powerful tools against
understand
misplaced authority. The key takeaways
that
are
if
clear.
I
Police
feel
powers
I'm in
only exist where the
danger,
law
he's
permits, not where ego
refused to
demands.
provide any
Policy matters because ignoring it
details of
erodes
what he's
public
doing
trust.
here.
And the right to film in public
Okay.
is absolute.
If I
Intimidation
feel
doesn't change
that
that.
you're
So,
trying
what do you
to
think?
identify
Did the inspector
me
knowingly ignore policy?
personally,
Or
sir?
did he
Did
simply
you
not care?
drive up?
Let me know in the comments.
Did you drive
And don't
up?
forget
Did
to
I
like
come
and
to
subscribe
you?
so we
Did
can keep
I ask
holding
you
public power
anything?
to account.